Okay, so I tried the viral frozen like gummy hack where you like soak it in Sprite for 24 hours and then put it in the freezer for 3 hours. I tried it and now we have to, it just came out of the freezer, so now we have to try it. Okay, I'm honestly scared. They look kind of good. Okay, I'm gonna grab a light pink one. This pink's my favorite. Ooh, they feel like frozen, but I don't want to melt them in my hand. That's really good. That was really good. The pink ones are really good. I didn't use Haribo gummies. I actually used like these other brand of gummy bears. Off-brand gummy bears. But they're really, really good. They did double in size. 9 out of 10, so good.